carpenter by hand, his followers true and brave. One dirty little coward named Judas Iscariot had put poor Jesus in his grave. He went to the preacher, went to the sheriff, told them all the same. Sell all your jewelry, give the money to charity. So they put poor Jesus in his grave. Jesus came to town, all the working folks around believed what he did say. But the cops and legislators called him a dirty agitator. So they put poor Jesus in his grave. This song was written in New York City of rich men, preachers, and slaves. If Jesus came to preach like he did in Galilee,